We were approached by Scottish Water to come up with an innovative solution that would resolve a number of problems at many assets, mainly reservoir towers, culverts and confined spaces. Many of these assets have pretty much old, Victorian in some cases, apparatus and equipment that does need a lot of maintenance. Unfortunately, the maintenance is compounded by the fact that it's very difficult to access a lot of these areas due to the confined space nature and potential hazards.
Most of scour valves, compensation valves, etc. At a lot of Scottish Water reservoirs are in culverts, tunnels, confined spaces, without any lighting power. What we've come up with is mounting a hydraulic adaptation kit onto the top of these valves. Basically this comprises of valves being operated from reservoir valve towers from a safe location on the surface. So these can be one-man operation, they're a single handle to operate. The one guy who's responsible for that or one of the ops from that area can go and start the procedure without having any specialist equipment or anything with them. It also means that the valves historically that weren't being exercised or weren't being operated enough to keep them mobile, it can be added into routine maintenance, and the guys can be doing these once a week, once a month, and it's a one-man operation, and it keeps everything moving. It just saves long-term costs and issues for Scottish Water. It's a great prestige to even be nominated for this. The reservoir team within Scottish Water were keen to kind of push forward with innovation and stuff as well, because it was having quite a positive impact on several sites throughout Scotland, and it was pretty well received by the Scottish Water operators firsthand. So we thought, well, yeah, it would be something of this calibre on your kind of resume for a company's. It would be yeah, very good. So that was why we chose to submit this for the Innovation Awards.
There was a number of challenges that we obviously faced, and we had to engage a lot with Scottish Water and the operators and the asset owners. There was a lot of development, a lot of discussion and a lot of trials that we had to undertake before we come up with a solution that was going to fit the need. Just worth mentioning some of the benefits of this particular project. Obviously there's a reduction in the health and safety risk. There's the benefit where we have obviously reduced the operational cost. There's also a significant environmental benefit in that there's been pretty much a low impact in the environment as well. So all in all, it was very successful.